previous classes, we learn about the components of the network. First, learn about the network interface card (NIC) that is by default attached in your CPU, network cable, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and the fiber optical cable. There are the three types of cables to connect the internet connection to your devices. Network cables used to for a device that is used to connect the cable. Then the modem, sorry, here that is a modem, that is a full form of modem is a modulator, and the demodulator used to send and receive the data using a telephone cable line. Then we learn about the router that you daily use in your home. It's one of the hardware device used to connect the two different networks to each other, and also used to use the internet connection. Now we are going to learn the gateway. What is the gateway? It's a one of the doorway to a one from to the another network. What is a gateway? Is a it is a one it is a node on the network that act as a doorway to or from another network. सिंपली डोरवे का मतलब क्या होता है? सिंपली जो आप डोर देख रहे हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड द डोरवे, वन ऑफ द, इट इज यूज्ड टू कनेक्ट द मल्टीपल नेटवर्क्स ऑफ different types. For example, whenever there is a router at your home, you can router with the router you can connect your internet to your mobile phone, to your PC, to your laptop also. So that time the router and your devices are connected as a doorway. उनके बीच में एक डोर होता है जिससे इंटरनेट कनेक्शन होता है. Gateway and the router both are the same. The gateway and router are both are similar, but one dissimilarity is that in the gateway, in the router you can connect the similar network also, but the gateway can only connect the dissimilar network. उसमें similar network कभी भी connect नहीं हो सकते हैं. Next is the ISP that you are using in your daily life. अभी आप जो यूज़ कर रहे हो मोबाइल में इंटरनेट कनेक्शन यूज़ कर रहे हो, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मोबाइल फ़ोन, क्योंकि उससे आपको ज़्यादा आइडिया आएगा. व्हाट इज़ द ISP? ISP मीन्स इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, जहाँ से आपको इंटरनेट की सारी सर्विसेज मिलती है. For example, whenever I told you turn on your internet connection, there is a one system that you can turn on your internet connection. होता है, आपके फ़ोन में सिस्टम होता है, बट आपको पहले इंटरनेट कनेक्शन फ्री करवाना पड़ता है. For that you have a particular card like a Jio, Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, etc. Right? So that card, जो कार्ड आप यूज कर रहे हो उसको हम बोलेंगे ISP, इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. These are the organization that provide an internet connection to the user. अगर आपको एग्जाम्पल पता चल गए मतलब आप उसके बारे में सब कुछ लिख सकते हो. जैसे आप फॉर एग्जांपल आपका फ़ोन जो भी हो उसमें आपने वोडाफोन का कार्ड डाल के रखा हो या फिर जियो का कार्ड डाल के रखा हो, तो उसके लिए अलग से पैकेज आता है, मंथली, 3 मंथ, 6 मंथ, पर ईयर, 2 years. There are the such type of packages available for you on the card. सारे कार्ड्स के लिए अलग अलग पैकेजेस होंगे. दैट इज अ ISP, इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. Next is the bandwidth. It is used for the data transmitted in the given time on the wired or the wireless connection. Whenever you are connected with the Wi-Fi or the hotspot in your mobile phone, that is a wireless. Whenever you are using a LAN cable in your computer system, that is called the wired connection. Bandwidth is measured in beats per second. Measurement is held in the BPS. For example, अभी मैं अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन में दिखा रही हूँ. You can see on the top, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, it's a 37.0 kbps. मतलब वो स्पीड दिखा रहा है कि इतनी स्पीड से आप इंटरनेट का यूज़ कर रहे हो. You can see on the top जहाँ पे हेडफोन का सिंबल है, नेटवर्क का सिंबल है, 4G लिखा हुआ है, वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 39.0 kb पर सेकेंड. मतलब एक सेकेंड में इतना इंटरनेट कनेक्शन यूज हो सकता है. मैक्सिमम per second you can use the 56 kilobits data per second. 56 kilobits. This is a simple one. You can see here 31.0 kb per second. आपके मोबाइल में जब आप इंटरनेट ऑन करते होगे तो नोटिफिकेशंस आता होगा कि इतने आपने यूज़ किया, या फिर आप अगर किसी को हॉटस्पॉट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, that time you can also see the notification that other device is used with this how much data per second. So that is a one type of bandwidth जो आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि कितना इंटरनेट कनेक्शन यूज हुआ per second. That is called the bandwidth and it is measured in the beats per second. Last topic, last component of network, that is a hub and the switch. So what is the hub and switch? It's a both are connect a number of computers together make a lane. Both are used to make a lane and connect the computers to each other, but both are the different. First, this is the switch device and this is the hub device. First, we learn about the hub. What is a hub? You can see in the image, this is a router, or you can say that one of the receiver that for internet connection only connect with the one computer that can provide the internet connection to the all the devices nearby. जो उसके पास में होगा वो सारे कंप्यूटर्स को इंटरनेट कनेक्शन या फिर डेटा ट्रांसमिट करेगा, वो नहीं देखेगा कि किसको internet connection chahiye. So it's a dumb device also, you can say. When the hub receive a message for a particular computer, it send it to the every other computer on the network. जो LAN में connected होंगे वो सारे computer को वो message भेज देगा. Therefore, hub based networks are not very safe. वो स्मार्टली वर्क नहीं करता, वो नहीं देखता कि कौन से कंप्यूटर को मैसेज पास करना है. It will be pass all messages to the all the computer that are connected in the LAN cable, LAN connection. And what is the switch? It will be check the message received from the receiver and check which check the message and think about that the message who have I have passed. मुझे किसको ये मैसेज पास करना चाहिए, फिर उसी को ही मैसेज पास करेगा, ना कि सारे कंप्यूटर जो लैन केबल में कनेक्टेड है. सो इट्स अ स्मार्ट डिवाइस. So a switch functions like a hub, but it's smarter. When it receives a message, it checks who it is meant for and set it only the specific computer that should receive it. So therefore, network are used to switches are more secure. So whenever in exam that will be asked, write down the difference between the hub and switch. So this 3 points you can write. First, work of both. Second, secure, not safe. And third is smart device and the dumb device. Okay, here there is a end of chapter. So now I want to ask if you have a query regarding to the previous topics, so you can ask me.